Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Design Studio Ideas. Today we discuss about the modern doorless shower design. If a bathroom makeover is at the top of your bucket list and you have been pouring our design website for inspiration, you have no doubt seen those chic doorless showers that are so considered right now, creating a spacious feel plus the bonus of no door to scrub. These walk-in the wonders have loads of style, but they are not of everyone. Read on for all full understanding of these trendy bath treatment plus design and construction tips sure to help if you decide to ditch that door. 60 years ago, bathrooms were modest affair, a tub, a commode, a vanity and perhaps a line cabinet all squeezed into a conservative 5 foot by 8 foot space. In the 70s, homeowners began to add second bathroom in their home, and in the 18 remodeling to include a master bathroom became the range. As the trend for large home continued into new century, master suite appeared, complete with oversized bedroom, sizable walk-in closets, large luxurious bathroom and stunning doorless showers. At first, the shower was limited to high-end homes, but builders and architecture were soon including them for mid-range construction as well. Before getting rid of that dated tub and shower combo in favor of doorless shower, understand the benefit and downside to these fashionable glass shower doors require constant cleaning to avoid hard water spots, so a doorless shower means one less thing to clean. Doorless shower are standard in age in place universal design with no glass door to interrupt traffic flow. With no glass door, the interrupt traffic flow, the bathroom feels more open and roomy. Doorless showers are custom designed to fit your space and style. You can choose, for instance, the number and placement of niches to hold like shampoo. You can also have a shower seat installed. Doorless showers require more floor space than a standard tub or shower stall, making them unsuitable for small bathrooms. With no doors to trap in steam, doorless showers have a tendency to feel drafty at times. Draftiness can be reduced through the installation of infrared heating lights, towel warmth and heated flooring. There is a lot of less privacy than a closed shower. Replacing the sole bathtub in your home could lower your house value. For resale purpose, a house should have at least one tub. Doorless showers are pricey because they are custom designed. A doorless shower should be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The following design tips will help you and your contractor stay on the same page. Size matters with doorless showers. Local building codes may specify that a shower stall must be minimum of 36 inches by 36 inches, but doorless showers out of need to keep water from spraying the rest of the bathroom require additional space. Position the shower in the corner of the bathroom for the best space usage. Due to their large size, doorless showers can look out of place along the center of a wall. Plan to have at least 6 feet of open space to the entrance of the shower. This is the splash zone, and anything you position within this area is likely to get wet at some point. Consider multiple drains. In a doorless shower, the flooring is graded gently toward a drain, but installing an additional drain or two further reduce the risk of water running out on the bathroom floor. This position keeps vigorous spray from bouncing off the shower walls and ending up on the floor outside. If going with the traditional shower head, position it so that spray is directed away from the shower entrance. Use also waterproof lights and fixtures within spray distance of the shower head. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and like the video. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.